I have the honor to present Mr. An Kwang Il, Ambassador of the Democratic People's Republic of Korea to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credence, which His Excellency Kim Jong-un, the Chairman of the State Commission of Democratic People's Republic of Korea, to Your Excellency, accrediting me as your ambassador of DPR of Korea to the Republic of Fiji. I also have honor to present the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Your Excellency, I am pleased to receive your credentials and letter of recall of your predecessor. I welcome you most warmly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a very happy and successful mission. Please convey to the Chairman of the State Affairs Commission of the Democratic People's Republic of Korea and the people of the Democratic People's Republic of Korea our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity.
Thank you, Excellency.
Ambassador, welcome to Fiji and congratulations.
It's my great honor to be your ambassador. Thank you, Excellency.
Good to see you. Come, we'll put this down.
Good, sir.
There we go. Here. There we go. Sir, thank you most sincerely.
I wish you